Are you tired of paying thousands in rent month after month after month? Do you want to keep your landlord being the lord of his manor? What if I told you that first, last, and security times 2 is how much money you'll need to buy a home with us? It's not a fantasy. It's a deal that I found. It's a deal that I can replicate anywhere in Florida, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make it yours. This single family home is a 3.5, 2-car garage, 2253 square feet, located in a beautiful neighborhood in Broward County, Florida, with a gorgeous park behind the house that you could use as your own private backyard. But believe it or not, that is not the best part. Here is the best part, the numbers. 6 months worth of rent can make you the owner of this house. You can buy this house instead of renting it. To rent this house, the rent will be $4,500 a month, and you'll need first, last, and security. To buy this house, the all-inclusive payment will be $4,500 a month, and you will need first, last, and security times 2. For an FHA buyer, you'll need around $23,000 out of pocket, but you'll also get an $8,000 credit to improve the house. Your total monthly payment will be approximately $4,500, including principal, interest, taxes, insurance, private mortgage insurance, and homeowners association fee at a 6.5% APR as of the moment of filming this video. For a VA buyer, this is a game changer. You can get it with $0 out of pocket, and even better than renting, you don't need first, last, and security. You need zero. $8,000 credit to make upgrades and have a total monthly payment of just $4,400 at a 6.5% APR, even lower than the rent. You do not need first, last, and security, and you get $8,000. This neighborhood feels incredibly safe with very little crime. It's a great place to put down roots with an above average rated schools and a wonderful community feel. We can help you secure this home or any other home in Florida with similar financial conditions. For more information about this particular house, you can watch our half-an-hour video talking about the house. Follow the link on the description. Visit Bluecastlelending.com, email me at alex@bluecastlelending.com, or call me directly at 954-866-0000. And for my next video, I'm going to reveal the secret on how you can buy a house anywhere in the United States with just the down payment, and have the seller and the mortgage company cover all the costs. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next.